Dear viewers, greetings of the day to you. I hope you're doing well. Have you already seen the introduction to this video series? If not, let me briefly mention to you how this video series benefits you. In present scenario, because of inconvenience or any worry or boredom, and along with that, all the unhappy sounding information which is around you, your mind could get negatively biased, could get negatively influenced. To reduce this negativity and to increase your motivation level, you need to keep hearing more and more of positive information. And that's exactly what this 4 series video tries to achieve. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this ride of positivity. So now we take a look at the second video in a series of 4 videos on 4 different topics. So the topic for this second video is how environment has been positively impacted in past 6 to 8 weeks. Here you'll be looking at some of the data, some of the numbers, some interesting photos which indicate good and positive effects on various elements of nature. Uh, So these effects on different elements include water quality improvement of Maganga, visibility of Himalaya from Jalandhar, which is more than 100 miles away, about 200 kilometers away, ozone layer healing, or more importantly, pure breathable air in many parts of India, the good effect on turtles in Odisha, shores of Odisha, flamingos in Vashi, and animals who are enjoying their freedom and enjoying their amount of space that they have received. So let's move on. Jai Ho Ganga Maiya ki. It is after a long time that the water quality of Ganga river has become good, fit for ritual sipping, also called as Achman. In some stretches, the water has also become fit for drinking after its quality has been tested at different parameters. Such a remarkable improvement has not been witnessed in past 30 to 40 years. It's a excellent and very good news for many people that the water in Ganga Maya, in Ganga River, has become fit for sipping. According to Uttarakhand Environment Protection and Pollution Board, there has been 34% reduction in impurities, and because of that the water is considered as fit for bathing or fit for drinking. There's a photo on the right hand side where you will see water from Hariki Padi in Haridwar. It was tested by UPCV and the results reveal that the water there has been classified as fit for drinking after chlorination for the first time in decades, 30-40 सालों के बाद. As I promised to you, along with some good photos, I'll also share with you some interesting and important data. So here is the data which you can see in the bottom part. UPPCB indicates that healthy water should have at least 7 milligram per liter oxygen dissolved in it. Only then it is considered as a healthy water. Luckily, because of the present situation around and lack of any pollution, the dissolved oxygen level in the upstream river Ganga is 8.9 milligram per liter, whereas in the downstream it is just 8.3 milligram per liter, which is absolutely a very good news. It's a good information and it is definitely a positive piece of news. ओए बल्ले बल्ले ओ पाजी देख रहे हो तुसी For the first time in 30 years, Himalayas were visible in Jalandhar. In the city of Jalandhar and in the surrounding area, people have, posted photos of views from their homes. People have not seen the peaks of Himalayas for decades, almost for last 30 years, which is visible now. And the distance from this city of Jalandhar to the mountain range in Himachal called Dhauldhar mountain range, which is visible from Jalandhar, the distances are more than 100 miles, which is approximately 200 kilometers. And it's something which is a reason to rejoice. It's something that you should feel very happy about because the clarity, the visibility increase indicates a lack of pollution. It indicates good environment, good clean breathable air around us. Going to the next so let's zoom out from Jalandhar and look at different cities in and around capital region. Uh, so there is an agency called SAFAR, which stands for System of Air Quality and Weather Forecasting and Research. Usually they do measure pollution by using two components. One is called PM 2.5, which is particulate matter 2.5. That's one measure of pollution. The second is nitrogen oxide pollution. And as you can see here, the PM 2.5 has reduced by 30% in Delhi and about 15% in Ahmedabad and Pune. Similarly, the nitrogen oxide pollution, which can increase the risk of respiratory condition, it has also reduced significantly. The NOx pollution is reduced by 43% in Pune, and in Mumbai it has reduced by 38% and in Ahmedabad by 50%. So huge amount of reduction in pollutants, huge amount of improvement in the air quality. Similarly, on the right hand side also there is a lot more data where you can see a lot of orange and reds have now turning into green. Bhiwandi is an area close to Mumbai. You can see areas like Manesar, Ghaziabad, Noida, which are close to Delhi. All these areas have shown significant improvement in air quality, and the pollution has reduced by about 60, 50, 80%, etc. A Bangalore data, quick look at Bangalore data shows that in many areas of Bangalore, the air quality has improved in past few weeks. Similarly, Hyderabad and Delhi data also shows quite a good amount of improvement on the breathable air. So this is another positive news to all of us because it indicates that the air that we breathe 24 by 7 has become more pure, it has become more breathable, it is more full of oxygen. So that's definitely a good and positive news to look. Now that we have seen the positive effects on Ganga Maya, the river, on the Himalayan mountain ranges, on the pure breathable air which is surrounding us 24 by 7, let's also look at how this is positively impacting animals, how animals are enjoying their freedom, how animals are utilizing the extra space that they are having compared to the previous time in last 6 to 8 weeks or so. So there are a lot of turtles who have arrived at Odisha's Gairmatha beach. It's not that first time they are arriving, it's probably is the usual circumstances, but this year I think the number has increased. Also, people are saying that because of the present situation, there will be more better breeding of these turtles, and there is a good chance of increasing their number, which is absolutely positive news. The video, the photo below that shows, how humans are helping out by reaching out. The monkeys out here are being fed by the driver sitting inside the car. So these monkeys are being properly taken care of, and people are feeding them either nuts or bananas or whatever they like. The right hand side there are four videos, and you can see four different animals, how they have come on roads, how they are easily wandering off on the roads which are usually full of hustle bustle. One of the photo here is of a civet which is roaming freely on the roads of Malabar. The next video or next photo is of a bison which is moving around on the streets in Kerala. Then there is a video of a Neel guy which is walking outside the Great Indian Place Mall in Noida, Sector 18. Then there is a photo of a boar, wild boar, which is crossing the street in Kerala. All these videos or all these photos would show you a very common story that animals are enjoying this extra space that they have received in present days, in present situation. They are more than happy to have a positivity within themselves. And why not us? I mean, why not us humans? There is a lot of reason for us to rejoice. There is a lot of reason for us to see this positive impact on the nature, to feel the positive impact of nature from within, to enjoy this pure breathable air, to take more oxygen and to feel positive naturally as well. So do stay tuned. This is a video which is second in the line of a series of four videos. There are more for you to watch. Please do subscribe to the channel. Please do like this video and keep your out, notifications on. Enjoy your day, have fun as well as take care. Bye bye.